Hi, I'm Shannon with WTI, and if you've ever experienced hearing the doorbell at the worst time ever, then I think I found your solution.
So this is from the brand Nap Guardian, and I really appreciate that it comes with the 3 different tiles that are easy to use no matter what doorbell you have, whether you have a standard regular doorbell, a Ring doorbell, or it comes with a blank tile as well, so you can make it say whatever you want. Maybe you need something specific written on it. I love that it has that option. It also comes with 2 different ways to stick it on, the double-sided tape or the Velcro, and very easy to read instructions. And I decided to go with the Velcro as that was just the easiest one for me. As you can see, I have a Ring doorbell, and I was just looking for something for so long, as I just do not care for the doorbell, as I have a small dog and she just goes crazy when she hears it. So I was looking for something easy to use, and this is it. It's so easy to exchange the tiles as well. I just love having this option available and wish I had it sooner.
So whether it's because you just don't want to be disturbed at a certain time, or maybe you just don't like solicitors, then this is such a great solution to that problem, but that's just my point of view.